Hi, it's me again with Corel Raw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this clip art that has a white box, and I've got many videos out there, but this one is a little bit different. So I've already ungrouped it, and we hit delete, and then we hit delete, you get that. So that's not going to work. So what you do in this case is grab your black. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 6 inches. I'm going to grab the black, I'm going to move it over, and you see what it does. Left click, right click, take your white, and if you notice I'm going off the yellow screen, and right click hairline, left click no fill, move it over. Now we can get rid of our yellow box for just a second, then take your smart fill tool and fill that in. Now I would make sure that there's no hairlines, which there are, so we'll just delete them. So now you have a transparent box, and the person I'm doing this for, your clip art's got a little bit of a hiccup there, I call it. So take your shape tool and click on that and just delete those two nodes. And then I would go around the whole thing and just make sure it's good to go. And like I told you on the email, there's another little hiccup, the same thing, just grab those two nodes and hit delete. I would actually delete some of these and make that a little bit wider. It's a little narrow right there. Take your node and your handles and move it out a little bit. Just kind of play with it. And like I said in the email, I would still test it on a piece of glass before you run your wine glasses. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.